Wait, before you cook ogbono soup again, watch this one. Today, I am showing you the real secret to making ogbono soup that is thick, rich, drawy and bustling with flavor with Bitterleaf and Uziza. If you have been struggling to get that perfect texture, this is the video you have been waiting for. Come with me. I promise this recipe will be worth every second of your time. Let's check out some of the ingredients we will be using. We have baked fish, that is our ogbono, that is washed and sliced uziza, also properly washed and sliced bitter leaf. And then we have chicken wings, we have grounded crayfish, that is periwinkle, that is pepper and onions, that is ogiri, and that is cow skin. This is what makes this recipe very unique. We are adding ogiri, and then we have stockfish and many more. We are combining both Bitterleaf and Uziza leaf. This is why. Bitterleaf adds a slightly earthy flavor that balances the soup, while Uziza leaf gives it that beautiful aroma and light peppery taste. We blended our ogbono with crayfish. So let's get the ogbono ready. We are going to add some red oil, and then we mix together enough red oil, and then we mix this together thoroughly and set aside. Some will fry their ogbono first, but this style gives it a unique flavor. It is time to prepare the protein. Into the pot we have chicken wings, some cow skin, soaked and washed stockfish. We actually soaked our stockfish with salt and hot water. And then we have periwinkle. This has been removed from the shell, and if you prefer the one in the shell, you can go ahead and use it. And then your seasoning, salt, just add a little because we are still going to add more later on after tasting it. We allow this to boil until tender. You can actually use protein of your choice. You can use assorted meat, you can use beef and so on. You can use cow, whatsoever protein that is of your choice. Then cook until the meat is soft and your kitchen starts smelling amazing. Now we leave it to cook completely before we add other ingredients. While this is boiling, let's begin to bring things together. That is ogiri. This ogiri is common in the south. Igbo people use it. And we go in with our grated pepper and onions. Blended crayfish, after tasting and you find out that your seasoning and salt are not enough, then you can add a little more. And now we go in with our star ingredients, ogbono, that we have set aside. Here is the biggest mistake people make that kills the sliminess of ogbono soup. One is overheating, another one is bleaching palm oil. If you bleach your palm oil, especially if it's too much. Also, adding bitter leaf too early. You can see that we added Uziza leaf first instead of the bitter leaf. Here is another tip. And then adding too much water as well. All this can kill the sliminess of ogbono soup. So please avoid them when making your ogbono soup. Then, just before finishing, add your Uziza leaves. This is where the magic happens. Are you loving the recipes and tips? You will find even more in my exclusive cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural egg growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. So check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. We have more videos on authentic Nigerian dishes. Kindly check out the description box below. There you will find the videos. Next, add your bitter leaf. Make sure it is well washed to remove the bitterness. Cover and let everything simmer together until it is rich, thick and bubbling. Finally, let's go in with the baked fish. This baked fish is very healthy for those that are watching their diet, and instead of frying, you can actually go for baking. This is very, very healthy. Allow it to simmer again until it is rich, thick and bubbling. And that is it. Your delicious, thick and flavorful ogbono soup with Bitterleaf and Uziza is ready. Just look at that texture. Rich, stretchy and full of aroma. What do you enjoy eating your ogbono with? Is it eba, pounded yam or fufu? We will like to know. Kindly drop your comment in the comment box below. You can serve it hot with pounded yam, eba, fufu or semovita, whatever you love. But let us know what you love in the comment section. Which of the starch you love to merge your ogbono soup with. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what you will be eating yours with and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more authentic Nigerian recipe right here. Also, you can follow us on our displayed social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, food tastes better when it is made with love. Bye for now and enjoy your ogbono.